It's Brooke Shields, and you are watching LifeMinute TV. It took me a while to get to a place where I could actually process and be able to write about it, be able to talk about it. So that was the first thing. Second thing is the team. I mean, the way Lana approached it, she wanted to talk about it on a much bigger scale.
I was surprised that although Brooke was one of the most famous people in the world, and she was modeling from when she was 11 months old, she became a global celebrity at age 11, you'd think her life is very extreme in a lot of ways, and it is. But what surprised me was how many moments in her life are relatable to any girl or woman. I really hope that people will be able to recognize themselves and their own experience in Brooke's story in ways they'll be really surprised by.
First of all, try to surround yourself by good people. It's hard to find your own agency. Do the work on yourself. Never underestimate yourself. I mean, I think that I fought. I just never wanted to be a victim to an industry, to culture, to anything. And it's why I went to Princeton. You know, I knew that I needed to gain my own peace of mind with that I had opinions, you know, and it's an industry that doesn't allow you to have opinions, or they don't care about them. So I think that fighting for your true self, your true instincts, and who you are, and to stay strong. And you're not the only one feeling what you're feeling. You know what makes me even more proud? That I kept going to different mediums, and I kept learning and growing and sort of defying the odds, that I didn't let one door closed stop me from growing as an actor and a performer. And so I look back, and I'd never really seen it all together in its entirety. And even my daughters were like, "Mom, we had no idea you did that," any of it. And so it makes me feel very proud of all that I've accomplished and excited about what there is to come.